Ito po yung DTF machine po namin dito sa Tuigaraw na gamit ng 6 na araw na may total meters na 21. Ito naman ang printer head. Ito naman yung cutting. Head clean. Nozzle check. Linisan ang wiper after head clean and nozzle check. Ito naman po yung ink tank area. Ang ink system level is tama lang. Ito naman yung waste tank na nalinis lang kanina. ABR na may 220 volt and ground wire. Dito naman yung stock namin ng used ink, unused, DTF film, and DTF powder. Ito naman yung records na nagamit sa cyan. Magenta, yellow, black, white, and powder. Daily output and daily checklist.